It sounds a little bit like spicy cruising.
Yeah, actually, that's a great way of putting it.
Spicy
I like
cruising.
That.
Oh my.
Hey, Alex, you should try some cross step, dude.
I don't know how.
So you don't know how to cross step? You almost killed me back there.
To be honest, I don't know much about longboard dancing, so what's it about?
I think you can basically sum it up as cruising, but adding just like a little bit of flair to it. A little bit of flow, a little bit of rhythm, you know. You have some basic dance moves that are your foundation steps, and then you can just pair that up with some sweet jams, dude, and you're all set. You ride a longer board, so you have space to actually move around on it. And
like this one.
Like that one, exactly.
Oh, that's perfect.
And also, you can do it almost anywhere. You just need like a good patch of concrete that's smooth, and you're all set, dude. People all over the world do it. We have riders in Morocco and France and Korea, and it's a growing sport, dude. You can do it almost anywhere.
I think we're gonna have an addition to the dance team in Canada soon. Really? Yeah.
Are you gonna show me some stuff?
The LAndyachtz dancing team. Longboard, is it called longboard dancing? Yeah, longboard dancing. All right, what do I need to do first?
Well, we could start with some foundation steps. We could start with some cross steps. You almost killed me with those back there.
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Great.
Ooh.
I'm just going to tell you how I do it, and then you're going to add your own thing to it.
Okay.
So let's just turn our boards around because it makes things safer. The first thing is you stand on your board with your regular stance.
Yep.
Stand on your board.
Yep.
There you go. My front foot is going to go back close to my back foot, and it's really important that you keep your knees slightly bent.
Oh, I definitely wasn't doing that before.
Yeah, that's why. Very slowly bring your back foot out and around your front foot. Then you're gonna bring this foot back and out, and you're gonna place it in front of your other foot, and then you're gonna open up that stance again, and you're done.
You go all the way back to square one.
Yeah, and then you just kind of repeat that. And it's also really important when you're kind of stepping over your foot to really exaggerate it, because it's a common mistake to get tangled. Exactly. There you go.
It feels easier when my knees are bent.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm ready to cross step.
So you want to show me that?
Yeah. Take my back. Okay. Okay. Back. Oh, it's easier when you're moving.
If you want like a middle step, you can just do it on the grass, you know? Bring it to the middle only for now. There you go, yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Man.
1, 2, 3,
That is
4.
beautiful. Who is teaching you?
One. I'm gonna go do it. 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
Knees bent really helps. Oh, I did a cross step! I'll do it again.
Yeah, dude, those look good. You just have to practice more, you know?
I think if I ride this board more often, then I would get good pretty quick.
I'm sure you would.
I hope. Do you want to skate that hill right there behind us? Okay, let's do it.
Exploding high five!
Escape this parking lot.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's cheating. That's not dancing. It's sliding. You know, it's like cheat dancing. Look at this path. It's just a little bit downhill, so it'll be perfect for
cross steps.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Crossed. I just learned how to do it, but I'll try it around the corner.
Like a puddle there.
Oh yeah, a puddle for extra gnar.
Extra challenge. You got 50 points.
54.
Your turn, Alex!
Watch out! Watch out!
Yeah, dude, that looks sick.
When I went to do the cross step one time, my foot got caught in my pants.
I saw that.
Oh my god. Oh! Look at this parking lot! So smooth! Oh! Hey Carla, you gotta teach me some moves!
What?
I want to learn how to pirouette in this parking lot.
Yeah, dude, you have so much space here to learn how to pirouette. You can pirouette all over this place. Is this the moment that you keep your promise to me?
Yes.
All right.
I started learning a few years ago in that one time in Arizona.
Yeah.
And I even invented my own trick.
Was that the Lazy Susan?
Yeah, I think so.
I remember that.
Yes!
Well, a pirouette is this move where you spin on your front foot and you go 360 and you just land on your board on your regular stance. So it's just kind of like, that wasn't 360.
Is that 540?
That was more. Once again, I'm gonna teach you my way and you're gonna make it your own. Let's start with your regular stance. You wanna bring your front foot back a little bit and you wanna twist your foot to the direction that you're going to spin.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, then what you do is bend your legs, and I kind of like wind up my shoulders. I wind up, and then when I start turning, I kind of decompress my leg, and then you kind of land again. Keep your foot in the same position you started, and also keep your knees bent, because that's gonna work as a shock absorber.
Okay.
Prep your shoulders.
Oh.
Yep. And just let go. Yeah, dude. Awesome.
Oh, the shoulders help,
Yeah, it's all in the shoulders, actually.
Shoulders.
Yeah. Yeah. See, and like that's part of the learning process. You just have to figure out how much you have to twist for you to kind of land at the same spot again. When you're kind of ready to let go to start the spin, releasing up, not to the side, because you're going to lose your balance, and you kind of want to keep it right in the center of your board, because that's what's going to help you spin on the spot. Not like me. There you go.
Ooh.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, let's just give it a go. Terrifying! Scary, man. Oh. See that one?
Yeah, that was really
Yes! My first one! That's terrifying. See that one, Carla?
Way to go, Alex! Good!
I hesitated. I'm gonna finish it off with the pirouette. Here, I'll still do it.
You did it! You can enter a competition with that line.
There's competitions? Well, let's go check out the lake.
All right, let's go. This way?
I am gonna roll down this bridge.
That's all you. Do a pirouette! So pretty. Look at all those chickens.
Oh my god. Carla, this board's feeling pretty good. It seems like it's designed specifically for dancing.
Yeah, that's because it is.
Pretty happy about this Stratus. What about you? What do you got?
I am riding the 40-inch, actually it's 39.9 to be exact, Pony Danza, and it's basically just kind of like a shrunken down version of the Stratus.
Let's compare wheelbases here. This is a real longboard nerd thing to do.
Yeah.
It's smaller and it's narrower too.
They're both symmetrical, no grip tape in the middle, so you can shuffle your feet around. I don't know if you remember that beautiful pirouette that you could do earlier.
I could only do pirouettes and switch for some reason.
Well, whatever works for you, dude.
Yeah, that's true. You said that at the start,
Yeah.
you know?
And it's cool because it's totally symmetrical, so if you want to use your nose and tail, it's just the same all over.
Yeah, all day I was flipping it around, back and forth. I didn't care. I just rode it whichever way I wanted.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Dancing aside, this board's actually pretty good for cruising too. It's got an awesome flex and it's got so much space for your feet.
Yeah, well, speaking of cruising, you want to cruise over and get some food?
Yeah, let's go! Hurry up! Oh! Yeah. Such a good day of skating. I learned so much. You know, you're a great teacher.
Oh, thank you.
I had fun.
Yeah, dude, I'm proud of you. You did amazing. Yeah, you
Thank
did.
you.
What is that?
Oh, what? I gotta ride this thing. Oh. Oh. It's good enough.